Welcome to ExpressIRS Forms, one of the fastest, easiest IRS authorized e-filing programs for 1099s on the market. There are 11 different variations of forms in the IRS Form 1099 series. These forms are used to report when a taxpayer has received income from sources other than a wage-paying job. Now with ExpressIRS Forms, it's easier than ever to e-file your 1099-R form and remain compliant with the IRS. This form reports distributions of $10 or more from pensions, annuities, retirement plans, insurance contracts, etc. made during the year. Take note that the filing deadlines for Form 1099-R have changed and are different than they were in previous years. The recipient copy deadline is now January 31st, paper filing deadline is now February 28th, and the e-filing deadline is now March 31st. You can securely e-file your forms with an authorized IRS agent like ExpressIRS Forms. As an IRS authorized e-file provider, we help to easily and quickly e-file your forms directly with the IRS. See for yourself how easy e-filing Form 1099-R can be. Let's get started. To register for ExpressIRS Forms, visit www.expressirsforms.com and click Get Started. Enter the necessary account information to create your account, and after creating your account, select that you'd like to create 1099-R forms from your dashboard. Selecting your payer or employer is the first step. If you already have employer details in your address book, you can auto-fill the required information by selecting the employer from your records here. Next, adding employee and form details can be processed in two ways, individually or by bulk upload. To add an employee individually, you must enter their name, social security number, and address. Proceed to the employee page to begin entering each employee's federal details. You can only enter one employee's federal details at a time, so select one employee and click Next to enter their wages and taxes withheld. Following federal details, you'll need to enter each employee's state details. Select the state, enter the employer's state ID number, state wages and income tax, and other valued information, then proceed to the summary of your completed form. Notice only one form is present for this employer. To add another employee's Form 1099-R, click Add Form for this payer, select 1099-R and repeat this process until you have entered all employees' federal and state details. Now continue to choose how you wish to file these forms. You can choose between federal e-filing only or package, which includes federal and state e-filing along with postal mail. After your selection, if you chose to electronically file 1099-R with the state, ExpressIRS Forms will provide further instructions on the necessary state requirements. Now at this point, you're reaching the end of e-filing Form 1099-R. The final steps before transmitting to the IRS is reviewing your order details and cost of e-filing through ExpressIRS Forms. If everything looks good to you, proceed to enter your credit card details to process this fee with ExpressIRS Forms and continue to pay and transmit your 1099-R forms to the IRS. Make sure you review the forms before transmitting. You can visit your dashboard for status updates on your forms at any time after transmitting. Here at ExpressIRS Forms, we're committed to helping you through every step of the e-filing process. If you have any questions about getting started or e-filing your 1099-R returns, don't hesitate to contact our all-star customer support team. We're available by phone and live chat Monday through Friday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we offer 24/7 email assistance at support@expressirsforms.com.